this video, let's talk about why do you need to install Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. Let's check it. Mitsubishi wheel spacers are a common modification for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their Pajero. The Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing Pajero wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Mitsubishi wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Mitsubishi Hub-Centric spacer makes sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the Mitsubishi spacer fits on the hub, it handles more range and strength than fitted fit on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than Hub-Centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specified to a certain model of vehicle. Besides BONOSS FT cooling, Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing wheel spacers for Mitsubishi Pajero, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a good day.